The single-use plastic bag ban can create confusion and frustration for grocery store shoppers at checkout.
Yeah, right. You go in to get one item, you have a handful of stuff. Well, in tonight's Zeppeli Zone, Jess at Ralph's in Del Mar with a new invention you could get carried away with.
Without fail, every time I go grocery shopping, I forget my reusable bags. Approaching checkout with confidence, Jen Demobet unloads her groceries with a bag of tricks hiding up her sleeve.
Put the purple bag toward the back because that's the biggest. So then they just fan right on out. You got two hands so you can pack and sort your groceries. Okay. So we got pockets to hold the wine, keep them secure. Then we have egg sleeves right here to keep your eggs secure. So you have a deep cooler bag here. Fits a whole frozen pizza easily, your ice cream. And then I usually put my produce in the front section just to keep everything organized.
The Lotus Trolley Bag system includes 4 separate bags that hold up to 50 pounds each. The system was invented by Jen and her husband Farzan, who share the company and the credit for this great idea.
I think we both did. We were just frustrated. It's all these bags at our house everywhere. So we just said there's got to be a better solution.
A bestseller on Amazon and available in your local grocery store for $29.99. The bags are named after Jen's favorite yoga pose.
Leg one up.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
And we're going for full lotus, so the other leg comes up.
Even more unsightly than this twisted mess is this one. When I do remember my bags, I'm just a mess. And then you come in all swanky.
Ready to go.
My wife's gonna love that.
So cute.
And light. The entire system weighs less than 2 pounds and made from recycled material. A concept this eco-friendly Carlsbad couple hopes will grow on you.
The lotus flower, it blooms open. So we're hoping that our bags will make a dent in the sea of plastic pollution.
After checkout, you head to your car to separate your groceries into 4 individual pouches.
Saves time at home, saves time here.
And just like that, your shopping experience is in the bag. And now that I'll remember my grocery bags, I can forget all the normal stuff, like my milk. In the Zeppeli Zone and the butter, Jeff Zeppeli, and the eggs, CBS News 8.
There's so many things I love about that. First, that she started with the wine pouch.
Right.
And then at home, it's true, you have so many bags.
It's a mess. I can see the attraction. For me, you know, I'm used to the multiple bags like on each finger, though, so it doesn't work for that one for me. But
I love it. You just string them all over your shoulder.
But it looks pretty efficient. It's cool stuff.
Yeah.
Nice idea.